Hi friends, this video shows how to change keyboard language. First let me set this search field from top. Then here you can see the keyboard. See, so right now I am not able to change this keyboard language. It shows only one language, English. I will show you how we can change keyboard language, how we can add multiple keyboard languages. Go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to keyboard, set Gboard settings, set languages. So first we have to turn off this use system languages. Turn off this. Then let me set multiple languages. Let me set Arabic, then Chinese. Done. So now I have selected 3 languages: English, US, Arabic and Chinese. Let me test. Go to home screen, then again select this search field. Let me open keyboard. See, now here you can see keyboard switch button, keyboard language switch button. Using this button we can change language. See, Arabic, Chinese, English. We can also use this space bar. Select it, press and hold OK button on the remote. From here also you can change language. See. Okay. So if you want to revert these changes, you can again go to settings, system, keyboard settings, languages, then just turn on this first option, use system languages, so that way you can revert all those changes. Let me test. Go to search field. See, now that language switch button is not here. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.